nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
Hey yo, I been on, bitch, you been con. Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean, I been storm, X-Men been formed. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Nikki. I film videos every Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Today's video, it is Saturday in South Korea. So today's video is going to be, I haven't done an actual makeup look in a while. I think I've just been doing face charts. So today's look is going to be, because it actually is the first day of fall in Korea already, I'm going to be doing a fall look. I don't know if it's going to be a halo eye or just a fall look. We'll see when I finish. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I primed my eyes already, obviously. I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and I'm going to go with one of my mermaid tail brushes. I'm going to go into this shade here, which is called Extraction, and I'm going to put that above the crease and on the upper part of my lid. So the next palette I'm going to be using is this Rose Gold collection from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It looks like this, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. They don't have names, I think. Wait, they do have names, but I can never figure out which is which. So I'm going to assume that it's Rose Sensation, the red shade, and put that here on the outer corners using another mermaid tail brush. Now, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I love the ColourPop Soul and More palettes. I'm going to be going into the Soul palette, and excuse the dirtiness of this palette, I've been using it a lot. And I'm going to be going into the shade, I'm going to assume this one is Floaties. I'm going to be using Floaties and then, well, Motel and then Floaties to like transition this way. But I'm not going to go all the way here because I'm going to save that space for a different color from a different palette. I'm going to be using the Morphe 156 brush, the fluffier side, not the little small. I use this usually for inner corners, but I'm not going to be using this side, I'm going to be using this side. For the inner corners, I'm going to be using this lovely palette, the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I'm going to go into this gold shade here, which is called Lick, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners using the other end of that Morphe M156 brush.
like they used to, girl. They don't make them beats like they used to, they don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to, they don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to, they don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to, they don't take the night like they used to. They don't snap that snap like they used to, they don't snap that snap.
Now I am going to go off camera, do my foundation and everything else. If you're new to my channel, I don't usually do my foundation on camera only because I have so many videos where I do it on camera. So like it's like for these videos where it's just the focus is the eyes and maybe a lip, I tend to not do my foundation on camera. It just saves time. So I'll be back. So as you can see, I've done the foundation and the contour and the setting powder already. I did put liner on. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I can see it in the mirror. It is a burgundy liner that I bought here in Korea. It's also by e.l.f. No, this is Witch's Pouch. Sorry, Witch's Pouch. It's their burgundy pearl liner. So I'm going to use that instead. And I'm going to go back into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar palette. This time using the shade Fresh Meat, which is this one, and putting that on the lower lash line. So the lower lash liner and the lower lash color are done. I did go back into the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette and add the gold shade next to Lick, which is called Filthy Rich. I put that on top so it's a little brighter. I'm going to go dust off my face and come back for some highlighting. So now it's time for one of my favorite parts of my face look, using the Liquid Frost in the shade Goddess. And
They don't make them beats like they used to, girl. They don't make them beats like they used to, they don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to, they don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to, they don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to, they don't take the night like they used to. They don't snap that snap like they used to, they don't snap that snap. They don't click click clack like they used to, they don't click click clack. They don't punch that back like they used to, they don't punch that back. They don't bump that track like they used to, they don't bump that track like they used to. Dance to the night dies, to the night dies, live to the sunrise, to the sunrise, work.
okay, so this is the hard part 2 whenever I do a fall look. I know I want to use this lip topper thingy from AOA Studio, but I don't know which shade to use as the base. So I could go with Snooki from ColourPop, Hutch from ColourPop, or NYXed from ColourPop. I think I might do NYXed. Oh, figured it out. So I'll be taking this NYXed lippy stick from ColourPop as well, and then on top of that I'm going to put the Wonder Metal from 808 Studio in the shade Unicorn. And this is the finished look. I don't know if I'm going to keep my hair like this or I'm going to put half up, half down like I did yesterday. But I did curl it today instead of just letting it be all gross. I curled it and I need to stop because as you can see the extension, it's going to pop out. It's going to be like bam, and I'm like whoopsies. But I like it. I like this look and I like how it blends in with my hair. I really like this lip too. Like it's like a fall lip, but like with a little pop. So I was like, it's like fall, but glam fall. It's not just the dark part of fall. I love this eye though. Although I don't think, cause I'm going out tonight with a friend, I don't think I'm gonna keep this look for tonight. If I do, I might make it, like, move it more. So move all the colors more so it's not as dark. Because I'm liking the bright eye looks these days. However, I like this. I like this a lot, too. A lot. And that's it for this video. I think I'm done. Yes, I'm done. I'm going to go take pictures and then figure out what to make for lunch. So, any questions, comments, concerns, if you want to see me use any palettes or use a palette I use in this video but like use it more or just all in one look, etc., leave the comments in the comment section. That's it for this video. Until next time, bye.